This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need the digital time correct and a healthy battery. Low power can prevent calibration. Once ready, press and hold the adjust button until the display flashes. Make sure you then press mode repeatedly to cycle to the hand setting mode labeled HSET or hand. You're starting the precise alignment process now. This ensures the watch's microcontroller accepts manual hand positions. If your model uses a crown instead, pull it to the second click and proceed similarly. Now focus on positioning the hour and minute hands exactly. Use the forward and reverse buttons to move the minute hand in single-minute increments or hold for rapid advance. The hour hand will follow once minute crosses full hours. Make sure to align minute when the digital seconds read 00 so the hands match the internal time. Once done, fine-tune hour hand drift by stepping it around the dial. This corrects half-hour or sub-step errors. When hands match the digital readout, you're ready to finalize. Finish by pressing adjust to store the new hand positions. The watch will resume normal timekeeping. Once done, monitor the watch for an hour to confirm the analog hands, track the displayed digital time across hour changes. If you notice persistent offset or jitter, repeat the hand setting procedure carefully or perform a battery disconnect/reset if available for your model. This clears memory errors. One key troubleshooting tip: if hands skip or won't move, check battery voltage and try the full reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.